Okay, taking a look at Surds question 2021 paper 1 question 1. Surds is one of the topic that you will definitely score in exam. So make sure this is one of the topics that you are stronger at, okay? Okay, so the rectangle has a length of this one here. This is the area. They say without using a calculator, find the width, all right? Okay, so when we see this from here, right, what we have here is that width is like the breadth of the rectangle, right? So what we want to do is to find your width, just take your area divided by your length. Oops. Okay, area divided by length. So just this here, 5 root 3. And then this one here is 3, 2 root 3. Okay, okay. So what we have here, okay, we are looking at the fraction of surds here. You cannot have square root 3, square root 2. You cannot have a surd in the denominator. So you're always expected to rationalize. Rationalize, how do you do that? Just copy the numbers but change the sign. So instead of plus, we are going to put as minus. Okay, instead of plus, we're going to put as minus. For this pink color fraction, your top and bottom has to be the same thing because you're technically multiplying by 1. Okay, so you're multiplying by 1. You're not allowed to change the question, right? That's why you're multiplying by 1. What's the purpose of rationalizing? You always aim to make the denominator become a very nice whole number. So for the denominator, the fastest way is to just punch it into your calculator, exactly what you get, and then equal. Okay, so this one will give me -3. But for the top part, I need you to be extra careful because we need to rainbow. All right. Okay, so 6 times 3 gives me 18. Number times number, okay? So 12 root 3, 15 root 3. Okay, for this one, a little bit more complicated. 5 times 2 first, which gives me -10, right? Root 3 times, oops, why it keeps moving? Root 3 times root 3, that's 3. Okay, so what we have here just now was 5 times -2, right? Multiply by 3, so -30. Okay, we're just going to simplify this number with number again. 18 minus 30, that's -12. Then minus 12 plus 3. Take the square root 3 as like an x like that. Okay, so it's like minus 12x plus 15x. What happens from there? So the AC, I go and write x. Oh my gosh. No, this one should be root 3, okay? Okay, so square root 3. Then we just need to simplify. Divide everything by -3. So divide by -3, 4 minus root 3. Okay, final part. Just help me to put bracket cm. Okay, so if you stay all the way till the end of the video, I'm going to reward you with something. It's always possible, right, to make sure your answer is entirely correct. So, okay, what we're going to do is you are always able to check your answer. And how do you check your answer? Okay, your calculators are not as specific as mine. Okay, but what you're going to do is I want you to key this in your calculator. So 6 plus 5 root 3. This one is 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay, your calculator will not be able to give you the square root answer, but what your calculator can give you, okay, is that they are going to tell you that whatever you just key in, it will give you an answer of 2.267949. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to press your final answer, 4 minus root 3. It has to be the same thing, okay, because if it's 2.26794. Yeah, if it's not the same, means you rationalize wrongly. You did not simplify correctly. Okay, so bear in mind, surds is something you can always check with your calculator.